Welcome back to MH Car Review. Today we are looking at something that genuinely stopped me in my tracks the moment I walked into the showroom. This is not just another motorhome. This is one of the most futuristic, most ambitious homes on wheels I have ever come across, and by the time this video ends, I think you will understand exactly why it deserves all the attention it has been getting online. Let's start with the exterior, because honestly, this is where the vehicle makes its first impression, and what an impression it makes. The body is finished in a stunning champagne gold tone that flows seamlessly into deep matte black panels along the lower half. Running through the entire length of the vehicle are glowing amber LED accent strips that trace the contours of the body, giving it a presence that feels more like a concept car from a motor show than something you would actually take camping. The front end is dominated by a massive curved windshield that wraps almost like a cockpit canopy, giving the driver a panoramic view of the road ahead. Below that, you get sleek slim LED headlights with a subtle blue underglow that makes the front fascia look almost alive at night. The nose is aerodynamically sculpted, which is impressive considering how tall and boxy most motorhomes tend to look. This one actually looks like it was designed in a wind tunnel rather than bolted together in a factory. Move to the side profile and the scale of this thing really hits you. It is a full two-story design, with the upper deck featuring tinted panoramic glass that runs almost the entire length of the vehicle. Underneath, you will notice a triple-axle configuration with 6 wheels total, each fitted with large chrome multi-spoke rims and low-profile tires. The wheel arches themselves are wrapped in that same amber LED lighting, which continues around to the rear of the vehicle. At the back, you get wraparound tail lights, a rear utility hatch, and even a small ladder built into the bodywork so you can access the upper deck from the outside. Now let's talk about what is arguably even more impressive than the outside, and that is the interior. Step through the door and you are greeted by a cabin that feels closer to a private jet than a traditional camper van. The dashboard alone is worth talking about for a full minute. It is a curved wraparound design packed with ambient lit touchscreens, a minimalist steering yoke instead of a traditional wheel, and premium quilted leather seating with brushed aluminum trim throughout. The lighting inside shifts between cool blue and warm amber tones depending on the mode you select, and honestly it creates an atmosphere that feels genuinely premium rather than gimmicky. Head further back and you will find a kitchen that would not look out of place in a high-end apartment. Matte black cabinetry, brushed gold trim, a built-in induction cooktop, a quartz countertop with a waterfall edge, and under-cabinet LED lighting that adds a nice ambient glow while you are cooking. There is even a smart touchscreen panel for controlling everything from lighting to climate without leaving the kitchen area. Upstairs, the bedroom suite is where this vehicle really flexes its luxury credentials. You get a full king-size bed with quilted charcoal and gold bedding, an LED-lit headboard, and floor-to-ceiling tinted windows that let you wake up to whatever scenery you happen to be parked in front of. Whether that is mountains, a beach, or a quiet countryside road, the view becomes part of the experience rather than something you have to go looking for. The living lounge downstairs rounds things out nicely, with curved modular sofas, a floating coffee table, electronic sunshades on the windows, and an integrated entertainment display. It genuinely feels like a small luxury apartment that just happens to have wheels underneath it. Now let's get into performance, because a vehicle this size needs serious engineering to back up its looks. The triple-axle, 6-wheel layout is designed to spread weight evenly and improve stability, especially important given how much technology and luxury material is packed into this build. The independent suspension setup on each will help smooth out rough terrain, which matters a lot when you are essentially driving a 2-story structure down the highway. While exact power figures vary depending on the configuration you choose, vehicles in this class are typically built around a hybrid or electric drivetrain, prioritizing smooth, quiet cruising over outright speed, which makes sense given its purpose as a rolling luxury residence rather than a sports car. Finally, let's talk price, because I know that is what a lot of you are waiting to hear. Vehicles like this typically fall into the ultra-premium motorhome category, and depending on customization, interior finishes, and technology packages, you are realistically looking at a price range starting somewhere around $300,000 and climbing well past $500,000 for a fully loaded configuration. It is not a small investment, but when you consider what you are actually getting, a mobile home with hotel-level luxury, cutting-edge design, and genuine engineering behind it, it starts to make a lot more sense. So that is our full breakdown for today. Let me know in the comments what stood out to you the most, whether it was the exterior design, the interior finish, or that jaw-dropping bedroom setup. As always, thank you for watching MH Car Review, and I will see you in the next one.